forward. So we're down to hopefully a simple model of what plant and equipment wellness is. It starts down here by understanding the parts fail, then the machine fails. If I can control my parts environment, minimise their stress right down low, I will create reliability. My parts are going to fail because they are overstressed from distortion or they are fatigued from degradation. So I've got to start controlling degradation in the operating area and in the maintenance area, and distortion when it comes to rebuilding and running it and installing it. And then I'm going to have processes and procedures that involve precision maintenance, precision operation. I've got to control the environment that part is in. If my part is inside of the machine, then the local environment around it, the lubrication, the temperature, the interference fit, the distortion, the overload, I've got to control those, because the part breaks, then the machine fails. So I want to build from here, from this concept of minimising stress in my parts, through a series of activities right up to the actual business system running the company. What quality standards must I have to deliver the precision required to achieve that low stress? What engineering standards give me that? What operating practices give me these controls on distortion and deformation? So at this high level here, it's about the business processes and the systems the company uses to create this outcome. So when we analyse a company's assets, we keep pushing up our understanding from what fails it, what controls it, what processes must we use, what skills must we use, what engineering and maintenance and operating and financial practices must we adopt, what procedures and practices and documents and processes do we lock into place that then give us the asset management system that produces the results that we are trying to design.
Where would you put ACE3T?
Let me step on to the next step. The accuracy controlled enterprise is the complete system that captures all these.
Okay, so you wouldn't just put it in the top line?
No, the 3 T's you'd actually build at this level here, because what operating target must we run at to ensure that when the plant operates, it's a nice steady flat line. Pressures, flows, gravities, temperatures, whatever the case is.
So all of those are done to that standard, ACE3T?
Yeah. Because the 3 T's are the target tolerance test that gives us the narrow distribution we're looking for. The 3 T's create that very tight distribution. So I've got to have the 3 T's. If I want to have a tight distribution, then I've got to have what is the target that I'm looking for, and how big a boundary will I accept, and then that setting those parameters sets the limit on my process. And of course the final T, the actual test, is to prove I'm within those boundaries. So yeah, we're going to use the 3 T's, or the concept of that, across all the documentation we're going to build. Up here is the documented systems and processes we're going to run the company with to create that reliability that results from low stress operation of our parts.